The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Delaware County, northwestern Lincoln County, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Powell, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Westerville, Delaware, Powell, Johnstown, Sunbury, Polaris, Galena, Hartford, Alum Creek State Park, Stratford, Lewis Center, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 36/State Route 37, Center Village and Columbus Zoo. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 121 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Knox, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Now looking